1, 2, 3, read for me. Story time has just begun. 1, 2, 3, read for me. Reading books is fun.
Hi kids, let's read Peppa Visits the Australian Rainforest. It's a Lift the Flap book. Peppa is on holiday in Australia, visiting her friend Kylie Kangaroo. Mrs Kangaroo is taking everyone to an Australian rainforest. Before we set off, I have an extra surprise for you all, announces Mrs Kangaroo. Take a look inside this box. What could be inside? It's a rainforest scavenger hunt, says Mrs Kangaroo. These notebooks will tell you what to look for. Ooh, gasped Peppa and Kylie. They're excited to go on this scavenger hunt. When they reached the rainforest, the children opened their scavenger hunt books. We have to find things that are leafy, fluttery, feathery, climby and splashy, says Kylie. Well, there are leafy things everywhere, says Peppa. All the leaves. And look, I can see something else. What's behind here? Fluttery butterflies, cries Kylie and Peppa. Look at all the butterflies. They found the butterflies for their scavenger hunt. After checking leafy things and fluttery things off their lists, Peppa and Kylie spot something on the ground. Look there. Feathers, says Peppa, pointing. But where are they coming from? Asked Kylie, looking around. Ooh, let's have a look behind here. Beautiful feathery birds, cries Peppa. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. Very colourful birds in the Australian rainforest. Peppa and Kylie carry on with their hunt until suddenly, pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Oh no, cries Peppa, it's rain. Well, rainforests are very good at making rain, says Kylie. What's that sound? Asks Peppa. Let's have a look behind this big leaf. It's a tree frog, said Mrs Kangaroo. Their sticky feet help them to climb. What a cute little frog in the Australian rainforest. It's time to go home, but Peppa is sad. We still need to find something splashy, she sighs. Look, she's sad there. And George and Kylie. Says Mummy Pig. Has anyone seen Daddy Pig? Oh, look, I can see his hat through here. Let's see what Daddy Pig's up to. Ah, splash, splash. One splashy thing coming right up, cries Daddy Pig. He leaps into a puddle with a huge splash. This is the best rainforest trip ever, says Kylie. And this is the best, splashiest muddy puddle ever, cheers Peppa. Splash, splash, splash. They're all having fun in that muddy puddle in the rainforest. What a great book. Reading is fun with Peppa.